Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration and HVAC mechanic red seal license exam review. This is question set, multiple choice questions, set number 11. Number 1. If ambient temperature rises by 10 Fahrenheit, skin temperature rises by A. 3 Fahrenheit, B. 6 Fahrenheit, C. 10, D. 12. Correct answer is A. 3 Fahrenheit. Number 2. Average recommended relative humidity in a home during winter months is A. 55 to 65%, B. 35 to 45%, C. 65 to 75%, or D. 75 to 85%. Excuse me. Correct answer is B. 35 to 45%. Number 3. R134A is miscible, which means mixable, with mineral oil. Is this statement true? A. B. False, C. Unknown, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is false. Number 4. When a chlorine atom combines with an ozone molecule, it takes blank oxygen atom from the ozone. A3, B2, C4, or D1. Correct answer is 1. R11 is A. HCFC, B. HCFC, C. HFC, D. CCFC. Correct answer is A. CFC. Number 6. In a DX system, distance and height difference between condensing unit and cooling unit must be kept A. the same, B. minimum, C. maximum, D. none of the above. Correct answer is B. minimum. Number 7. Induction motor always runs blank synchronous speed. A. above, B. the same, C. below, D. none of the above. Correct answer is C. below synchronous speed. Number 8. When current carrying conductor is cut by magnetic field, what is produced? A. resistance, B. current, C. EMF, electromotive force or voltage, or D. friction. Correct answer is C. EMF, voltage or electromotive force. Number 9. Factor that does not determine capacity of capacitor. A. thickness of capacitor plate, B. area of plates, C. distance between plates, or D. electrostatic forces. Correct answer is A. thickness of capacitor plate. Number 10. The stratosphere is how many stratosphere is many miles. Okay, I need to edit this for a little bit. Stratosphere is how many There you go. The stratosphere is how many miles high above sea level? Stratosphere is how many miles high above sea level? A. 10 to 30, B. 20 to 40, C. 30 to 50, or D. 40 to 60. Correct answer is A. 10 to 30 miles above sea level. Number 11. What is the stratosphere made of? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Ozone layer, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. 12. The blanket of ozone layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet UV rays from the A. Moon, B. Galaxy, C. Sun, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Sun. Number 13. Ozone consists of how many oxygen atoms? A. 4, B. 3, C. 2, D. 1. Ozone consists of 3 oxygen atoms. Letter B. Number 14. R22 is A. CFC, B. HCFC, C. HCFC, or D. CCFC. Correct answer is B. HCFC. Okay, that is the last question for this video. Till next time, hope you learned something out of this video. Cheers and have a good one.